Ri ga ma pa ma pa da ni ma pa da ni sa. Kam kita taka ding kita taka tom kita taka nam kita taka ding ding na tom pa tum varadamum.
Namaskaram. We see a lot of local dancers in Singapore perform to recorded music by international artists, even though there is no dearth of singing talent in Singapore. To create an opportunity for local dancers and singers to collaborate, Prapti Events is excited to bring to you a new series, Pattum Varadamum. As the name suggests, a singer and dancer have to work together to take part in the series. They have to select 3 padams. The singer then records this in kacheri format and the dancer performs to the recorded music. Let's listen to some of the early birds who have signed up for this program.
Ri ga ma pa ma pa da ni ma pa da ni sa.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskaram. I'm Akshaya Srikumar, disciple of Dr. S. Devesena. I'm a Bharatanatyam performer and faculty at Kalpavriksha Fine Arts Limited, Singapore. I'm very happy to be a part of Prapti Events Pattum Varadamum series. As a Bharatanatyam dancer, the concept of Abhinaya is very close to my heart. Every time after I finish a performance of Padam, Javali or Ashtapati, it gives me immense happiness. Well, for this series, I have chose 3 different compositions in 3 different languages that speaks about different ways of Shringaram. Hope you enjoy. Do watch my performance at Prapti Events YouTube channel. Thank you.
Namaskara. I'm Shruti Raj and I'm very excited to be a part of the Pattum Bharatamum series organized by Prapti Events. A typical Carnatic concert will commence with a Tanavarna in a brisk tempo and multiple speeds that the artist uses as a warm-up exercise for mobility and range build-up. It then alternates between slow, medium and fast pieces, with the main piece focusing on Manodharma. A Bharatanatyam concert, on the other hand, begins with Nritta-based items such as Alaripu and Jatiswara, which then segues into pieces emphasizing Abhinaya such as a Padavarna or Padams and Javalis. It concludes with high energy based pieces such as a Tillana. A composition that is presented in a Carnatic concert may vary in pace as well as number of repetitions with that presented in a Bharatanatyam concert. Come and explore this and a lot more in the Pattum Bharatamum series. We look forward to seeing all of you. Thank you.
Firstly, I'd like to thank Deva Uncle for giving us this opportunity. Shalin and I have been learning Pattu and Bharatanatyam respectively for about close to 2 decades now. I think we have spoken briefly about doing collaborative work in the past, but none of our items that we've learned before actually had any overlap. And we were also mainly focused on learning pieces during class or for performances. But when Uncle actually offered us this, we were actually very excited to take it up. This initial concept is basically using items and presenting it in Abhinaya format. But given the breadth of music and scope for interpretation, I'm looking forward to seeing what else we can do with this in the future as well. I'm also looking forward to seeing what everyone else has in store for all of us.
And in this series, Shivani will be choreographing new pieces which have never been done before in Bharatanatyam, but have been sung in kacheris before. And I think it's an incredible opportunity to explore this new format, especially for us because we are very steeped in both music and dance respectively. And I look forward to seeing what we can do during the recording and the performance itself. And like Shivani said, we'd like to explore more of this in the future, definitely. But once again, and like to thank Deva uncle for this exciting new opportunity.
Re ga ma pa ma pa da pa da ni ma pa da ni.
Namaskaram, I'm Meera Balasubramanian, a Bharatanatyam dancer from Singapore. I'm happy to be part of Paatum Bharathamum by Prapti Events. Music has always been an integral part of my life. I've always enjoyed it. It's always been a go-to thing for me. And as a dancer, music has always been a great source of inspiration for me. Through Paatum Bharathamum, I am hoping to work on some of these compositions that I always wanted to explore. It's very interesting, and it's going to be much more interesting because I'll be working alongside my very close friend Shruti Rao. So looking forward to this novel initiative by Prapti. Best wishes to Prapti Events. Thank you so much.
Namaskaram. My name is Shruti, and I'm really thankful for the opportunity by Prapti Events to be one of the singers in the Paatum Bharathamum series. As a student of music and dance, both of these art forms have really been very intertwined in my passion for all of these arts and what it brings to me as a person and how I see life. And so I've always really wanted to sing for dance and really meld both of these art forms and my learning of them together, and this is a wonderful opportunity for me to start in that path. So really thankful for the opportunity once again, and we're looking forward to the experience, especially bringing this together with my very good friend Meera, and really looking forward to seeing you all as the series unfolds. Thank you.
If you are interested in enrolling for this series, please contact us in the information provided below. We look forward to your enthusiastic participation. Namaskaram.